Hey, it's Craig with Annie Mac, and back with another story for you on how we're doing more for our clients. Recently, just closed a refinance for a client that had actually gone to a bank to get a construction loan to do some remodeling at their house, and it's a pretty big project. So they had to go get a construction loan, and we were able to pay off that construction loan with a permanent mortgage that they're going to have going forward. We were able to get them into a fixed rate loan. And so, listen, if you're watching this and you're like, you know what, we got a construction loan right now that we need to get paid off. We'd love to help you with that. Construction loans are meant to be short-term financing. They are not meant to be long-term financing. So it's not, a construction loan is not the type of loan you want to keep on there for a long time. So we were able to help get the construction loan paid off. And most importantly is our client was able to do the work to their house that they wanted to do, but not stress about, trying to get this construction loan paid off. So if that's something we can help you with, we'd love to talk to you. 615-498-5626. And I appreciate you watching.